Alright, so Jerry had talked about how some of the things like the money problem, of course, it's going to always, war will always end up costing like us whole a lot of money. There's several things you can actually like compare this to, as opposed to, so like Obamacare, stuff like that. CBO says that Obamacare would cost $2 trillion within the first real decade, from 2014 to 2023, and much more in decades to come. That's just in comparison to what we have now. It's $1.08 trillion for Iraq and Afghanistan. It said that we've only spent $105 billion, but really we've actually spent $54 billion for training the Afghanistan troops. The thing about talking about how the WikiLeaks, how they're irrelevant. Well, that's actually been said to come from someone within the DOD, which is the Department of Defense, which actually holds most of our secrets anyways. We have he talked about how we're not anywhere near success. Well, yeah, we're not anywhere near success, which is why we should actually stay there longer. By McChrystal's own assessment, Taliban are winning the war. They control 60% and between 60 and 70% of the country. The Afghanistan government of incumbent President Hamid Karzai is corrupt and drug-ridden. Its credibility further tarnished, but what has certainly been Karzai's rigged re-election in August of 2009, that kind of shows that they're not in a very good, stable point right now, and which is why we should actually still be which is why we should spend more time there. We should extend the timetables for the Iraq war, or no, for the Afghanistan war.